This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix CarPlay not working on your iPhone after your last iOS update. Follow these easy and step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is enable CarPlay. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on allowed apps. And here make sure to enable CarPlay and then check the issue. The second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. Restart your iPhone and check the issue. The third solution is update your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. And if you see any update available, then update the latest iOS version and then check the issue. The fourth solution is on your car, enable Bluetooth and reset your CarPlay and then reconnect with your iPhone and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset your network settings. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. And after following all of these solutions very carefully, hope the CarPlay not working issue is fixed now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.